Are you looking to make your crypto work for you? Do you want to earn passive income on your digital assets without the headaches of active trading? Then you've likely considered staking. And if you've considered staking, two names inevitably come to mind: Kraken and Binance. But which one offers the best staking returns? Which platform will put more crypto in your pocket? That's precisely what we're diving into today. This isn't just a surface-level comparison. We're going deep into the nitty-gritty of Kraken versus Binance staking, examining everything from available assets and reward rates to flexibility, security, and user experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform might be your ideal staking partner in 2025 and beyond. For those new to the world of crypto, let's quickly establish some foundational knowledge. Staking, in simple terms, is like earning interest on your savings account, but with cryptocurrency. Instead of traditional banks, you're locking up your crypto assets to support the operations of a blockchain network. This process, primarily used by proof-of-stake (POS) blockchains, helps secure the network, validate transactions, and create new blocks. In return for your participation, you receive staking rewards, often in the form of more of the cryptocurrency you're staking. It's a fantastic way to grow your holdings passively, contributing to the decentralized ecosystem while potentially generating significant returns. Now, why are Kraken and Binance the go-to platforms for this? Well, they are two of the largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges globally. Both offer a wide range of services, and staking is a significant part of their appeal. However, their approaches, the assets they support, and crucially, the returns they offer can differ quite a bit. And in the fast-paced world of crypto, even a small difference in APY can translate into substantial gains over time. Let's start by looking at the sheer variety of assets available for staking on each platform. Kraken, a curated selection with competitive yields. Kraken has built a strong reputation for its security and a more curated selection of cryptocurrencies. When it comes to staking, they focus on offering competitive yields on a solid range of proof-of-stake assets. As of mid-2025, Kraken offers staking for over 15 assets. Some of their notable staking options and estimated annual percentage yields, APYs, include Ethereum, ETH. This is arguably the most popular staking asset, and Kraken offers competitive rates for both flexible and bonded ETH staking. Flexible ETH rewards can range from 1 to 3% APR, while bonded ETH can go up to 2.25 to 6.5% APR with a 14-day bonding period. Polkadot. Polkadot staking on Kraken is quite attractive, with estimated yearly rewards of 9 to 15% for bonded staking, 28-day bonding period, and 4 to 9% for flexible staking. This makes DOT a strong contender for those looking for higher returns. Cosmos, Atom 4 Cosmos, Kraken offers some of the highest potential returns, with bonded staking yielding 15 to 21% annually with a 21-day bonding period, and flexible staking offering 7 to 11%. Cardano, ADA Cardano staking on Kraken typically ranges from 2 to 6% annually for flexible staking. Solana, Solana staking on Kraken can offer 6 to 10% annually for bonded staking, 3-day bonding period, and 3 to 6% for flexible. Kusama, Kusama staking presents another high-yield opportunity on Kraken, with bonded rates up to 12 to 19% annually, 7-day bonding period, and flexible rates from 6 to 11%. Tezos, Tezos staking on Kraken offers 5 to 12% annually for bonded staking, 4-day bonding period, and 1 to 6% for flexible. The Graph, GRT. Another interesting option is the Graph, with bonded staking up to 12 to 18% annually, 28-day bonding period, and flexible staking from 5 to 9%. Secret Network, SCRT. This one also stands out with a potential 14 to 20% APY for bonded staking, 21-day bonding period, and 7 to 11% for flexible. Other assets. Kraken also supports staking for assets like Algorand, ALGO, Flow, Kava, Mina, Polygon Ecosystem Token, POL, SEI, SEI, Sway, SUI, and Tron. TRX, with varying reward rates that are generally competitive. Beyond these traditional POS assets, Kraken also offers what they call opt-in rewards for certain stablecoins and fiat currencies, giving users the ability to earn on assets that aren't strictly proof of stake. For example, you can earn around 5.5% APY on USDC and USDT, and 6.5% APY on USD, typically with a 30-day bonding period for the higher rates. This is a unique offering that diversifies earning potential beyond just POS tokens. Kraken provides both flexible and bonded staking options. Flexible staking allows you to unstake your assets at any time, usually with lower rewards. Bonded staking, on the other hand, involves a lockup period, after which you typically receive higher rewards. The lockup periods vary depending on the asset, ranging from a few days to several weeks. This flexibility in staking options is a significant advantage, catering to different risk appetites and liquidity needs. One key feature of Kraken is its focus on transparency regarding rewards and bonding periods. They clearly list the estimated APYs and the corresponding lockup times, allowing users to make informed decisions. Furthermore, Kraken boasts robust security measures, with a significant portion of user funds held in cold storage, and they are known for their commitment to regulatory compliance. Their 24/7 customer support is also a plus for users who might need assistance. Binance, the Goliath of options and ecosystem benefits. Binance, being the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, naturally offers a much broader range of cryptocurrencies for staking. Their staking offerings are integrated deeply into their expansive ecosystem, which includes various earned products designed to generate passive income. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.